Hi everyone, my name is Jean Rowe. I am a licensed massage therapist with Hands on Health Massage Therapy and Wellness. I have been a licensed massage therapist for 16 years now, and I love my job more and more every day. So one of the things I do is specialize in therapeutic massage. That runs the gamut from relaxation to deep therapeutic work where a doctor may prescribe massage for you. And that's where my specialty lies. I love working with people, getting out of chronic pain, helping manage their pain, and even getting them back to a healthy, active lifestyle. So, here at Hands on Health, we actually practice massage to help better your life and be partners in your wellness and partners in your healing. So, come book a massage with me, Jean Rowe at Hands on Health Massage Therapy and Wellness.